Hello, my name is Todd Shires. I'm with Huddly, and we're excited to be at InfoComm this year. We build smart, intelligent cameras that are software defined, so it basically figures out what's going on in the meeting room and is able to make the user experience simpler and better because of the intelligence that's inside our cameras. We're excited to show off this year our C1, which is going to start shipping in August and wide availability in September. This is a Videobar, but it's going to basically be in our crew platform. Initially shipping, it's going to be a single standalone device. In November, it's actually going to be able to connect to our other cameras and be part of the crew platform. Using intelligence, our devices then will talk to each other, figure out which shot is best, and we'll be able to basically enhance the meeting experience. Going to be, again, compatible with Microsoft Teams and Teams certified from shipping, so we're excited about that. But excited to be featured on rAVe, and if you want to find out more information, you can go to huddly.com, huddly.com. Thank you very much.